Veneers cost over $20,000, but that's not the worst part. These snap-on veneers can give you the perfect-looking teeth you've been dreaming of. They're created by a professional dentist, custom to your mouth, but you never have to sit in a dentist's chair to get them. Even better, they cost a tiny fraction of what traditional veneers cost, and you don't have to damage your teeth or cause any permanent damage to wear them. It's all thanks to recent advancements in dental technology. You can take them off whenever you want, but you don't need to. They look like real teeth, even up close, and you can even eat with them on. They're called shiny Smile Veneers, and they're a breakthrough if you're struggling with your smile. These are not cheap drugstore covers or TikTok gimmicks. They're custom-fit, handcrafted veneers, and they look so real, no one will ever know your secret. Unlike cheap knockoffs, Shiny Smile uses your real dental impressions. The veneers are made in a professional lab in Houston, Texas, and the whole process is overseen by a real dentist. They're ultra-thin and flexible, so they look and feel like you were born with them. You can comfortably wear them all day long, and the material is approved by the FDA. That's why over 100,000 people have already ordered theirs. People love them. The company has a 4.8-star rating with 12,000 plus 5-star reviews. They were named the #1 snap-on veneers by trusted dental review platforms. But big dental companies don't want you to know about it, because if more people discover Shiny Smile, it could seriously threaten the traditional veneer industry that's been in place for decades. That's why they'd rather you never hear about it, but they can't change the facts. High-quality, custom-fit veneers simply don't need to be expensive anymore. When you get your own set of Shiny Smile veneers, everything starts to change. You'll feel much more confident right away, because you can finally show your smile. You don't have to hide your teeth anymore. You can laugh, chew, and talk freely without covering your mouth. And here's the best part. Every set of Shiny Smile veneers comes with a full 3-year warranty, so you're protected against damage or discoloration for years to come. They even do free remakes, so you're guaranteed to be happy with the way you look. On top of that, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out yourself. If you're not completely satisfied the first time you look in the mirror, simply send them back for a full refund. Don't pay thousands of dollars to damage your teeth for veneers you may not like. Try Shiny Smile veneers to see the difference for a fraction of the price, with no risk. And right now, they're running a special offer. You can save up to 50% off your order, making it more affordable than ever to start your smile transformation. Just click the link below, pick your shade, and order your kit today. Your new smile could be on its way to you in as little as 2 weeks. But don't wait. Each Shiny Smile veneer is custom-made by a real dentist at their lab in Texas. Once they sell out, wait times can get extremely long. So don't wait. Join over 100,000 people who love their smile more than ever. Click the link to get started now.